Energy independent. We create energy for those who drive the economy. Our production has grown not through sudden leaps, but through years of decisions, inspections, and continuous improvement. Engineering discipline, technical analysis, and constant learning are the foundation of our growth. Every completed project strengthens our potential. We have come a challenging way through mistakes, analysis, and higher standards. This is where industrial solutions are created and proven in real, operating conditions. Behind every megawatt stands precise calculation and hard-earned experience. A modern welding line ensures durability designed for decades of operation. We choose equipment for its service life and quality. We work with machinery from leading European manufacturers. We manufacture industrial boilers with a capacity of up to 25,000 kilowatts. From 2009 to 2025, the FBE Ardenz manufactured and delivered industrial boiler plants with a total capacity of over 500 megawatts, covering 15% of heat supply in Ukraine's industrial sector. Experienced specialists choose us because professionalism, responsibility, and growth are valued here. We work as a team and create solutions that stand the test of time. Our equipment operates where continuity is critical. Our strength lies in our people. Brovary Factory of Boiler Equipment. Ardenz, power, reliability, future.